So this is a quick tutorial to remind you of the different strategies we've talked about for hook sentences and why you need them, why they're important to utilize when you're writing a major essay. So remember that a hook is supposed to grab the reader's attention right off the bat. Your teacher is often grading, dozens upon dozens, close to 100, if not more, of these types of essays. And you want to make sure that they're engaged and they're, interested in what you're about to write about. So 4 strategies for a hook. The first one is to ask a question, often called a rhetorical question. So again, my persuasive essay is all about why running is the greatest sport on earth. So I may ask, have you ever wondered why some people love running? I would caution you that falling into the rhythm and routine of always using a rhetorical question is often a little bit more of an elementary writing style. So try to challenge yourself to use some of the other strategies we're about to go over. The next option is to make a bold statement and just throw it out there and let that bomb kind of drop on the reader. So I'm using the bold statement that running is the greatest sport on earth. I do understand that this feels a little bit like a claim, the way that it's written, but again, my claim would be something different later in my introductory paragraph. And then a shocking statistic. It's okay for your shocking statistic to be part of a direct quote, but I caution you that you definitely want to make sure you give the source where you got your information from credit. So my shocking statistic is actually more than one sentence. It says running works out 26 bones, 33 joints, 112 ligaments, and a whole network of tendons, nerves, and blood vessels, and that's just in the feet. Notice that after the quote, you know it's a direct quote because I've put quotes around it. It's not language I came up with myself. I put in parentheses where I got it from, runnerslegs.com, and then I put the period after the parentheses. That's just a reminder on how we do in-text citations. It's okay to use a direct quote in the hook sentence, although I do caution you from, again, using too many of them. Your introductory paragraph should likely be mostly your own thoughts and ideas. And the last strategy for a hook sentence is to begin with an anecdote or a story, really to kind of probably most likely appeal to someone's pathos or ethos or logos, using some of those rhetorical strategies we've talked about. To kind of draw the person into what you're about to share with them in the rest of your essay. So I would use the strategy that running changes lives and brings people to places they have never dreamed were possible. So again, just a reminder that that hook is there to grab the reader's attention, to really draw them into what you're about to spend maybe 1, 2, 3, depends on the style of essay that you're writing. You're about to spend pages and pages exposing them to in the rest of your essay.